So hello everyone, welcome back, and today we are going to talk about the top 5 most important and the best plot armor moments in the Skibidi Toilet Wars, where the characters which had plot armor have escaped due to plot armor and plot armor only, and if not for plot armor they could have died right there. And perhaps if you don't know what plot armor is basically the importance of the character which is in the story. Meaning if a character is important, he won't die anywhere soon, and the only reason he was saved is because of plot armor, because he's going to be used more in the future. That's why he has to be saved due to plot armor, and that's exactly what you call plot armor. Now let's move on to our number 5th. At number 5th is the episode 47 moment where the Jimmy escaped from Titan TV Man. This was definitely part of his plan, but in the slightest it was definitely some plot armor moments. Now let's assume that G-Man thought that he can best Titan TV Man alone, and just for his help, he will get the Saw Toilet and Titan Speaker Man. But it was the exact opposite. Jimmy was destroyed and the Saw Toilet had to help him remove his upgrades, and the Titan Speaker Man had to break his screen in order to let Jimmy win. And if not for them, Jimmy had been cooked. I mean, the whole fight was carried by the Saw Toilet and the Titan Speaker Man, because all Jimmy can do was blast lasers at him. And that gentleman exactly did not help. Instead, he was just taking it like a tank. And we can see that he wasn't even affected by it until Jimmy started blasting his core. The upgrades were really important. The DJ upgrades were really strong and important for Titan TV Man, and not for them, he could have died easily in episode 47 just by Jimmy. Because they helped Titan TV Man a lot by saving his core. And if his core was not covered, G-Man could have blasted it. Well, that won't really kill him, but it would be devastating. So the only reason Jimmy was able to escape from there is plot armor. I mean, he even get blinded permanently because of that. And that's some trauma that we saw in episode 67 part 3. And next up is the Plunger Man. Now if you remember episode 57, we can see that the infected Titan Speaker Man just blasted off Plunger Man by his hand, and his half body was just gone. And there's no way anyone without plot armor could survive that. Everyone thought that he's going to die in episode part 1, but in part 2 we get some hope, because of course we get to know that he can be saved, and not just saved, he came back much stronger, much better, much faster. And if not for plot armor, he could have died just like Sim Cameraman. And if you do know, Sim Cameraman is still alive, but he's not in a good condition, and he could die in the process of his upgrades. And of course, we are not going to see the villain of Sim Cameraman because he's still simping. But anyways, that was the second plot armor moment we got. Now on number 3, we've got the Titans. Now if you remember, in episode 67 part 3, the Titans were cooked by G-Man and Scientist Toilet. And their only hope was Titan TV Man, which already had help. And if not for plot armor, they both could have died. The only reason they survived is because Titan TV Man showed up right in time. And if he was just a minute late, they could have died. And if they died, we cannot see them fight again, because there was G-Man, who's the most upgraded right now, and the Scientist Toilet, which both were much stronger than them, which could easily kill them. So the Titans have no hope except for Titan TV Man. That was the third biggest plot armor moment. Now we can move on to the second. Now the second moment is not really a plot armor, because this character was just stupid enough to do this. And of course it's the Astro Detainer. Now if you remember, Astro Detainer is much stronger than G-Man, but he underestimated G-Man, and of course he tasted his defeat because of that. If he would have taken G-Man seriously, it would have been gone different. But he chose not to. That's exactly what resulted in his defeat. And if not for the Juggernaut Toilet, he could have died. And of course G-Man was not willing to even forgive him. And that's exactly why he was so stupid. If he hadn't underestimated him, he could have won easily. Not really easily, but he could have won a slighter betterly. Now, we can move on to our final moment, which is the best plot armor moment and the rarest. This plot armor moment can be controlled only by our favorite toilet. And of course, the character which has the most plot armor in the whole series, which is of course the Jimmy. This guy has the most plot armor ever. He was saved multiple times with plot armor, like in episode 72, in episode 47, in episode 21, and many more. But his best plot armor moment was in episode 73 part 2, where he was faced against 3 Alliance Titans, but he still managed to defeat them and escape. He almost got the all 2 Titans, but the Titan TV Man interfered and he had to escape from there. If not for the TV Man, he could have killed the both Titans, which won't be very pleasant. Now that was the biggest plot armor moment in the history. And now I have a bonus plot armor moment for you, which is an honorable mention, which is going to be the Titan TV Man, where Titan TV Man did get his karma, but G-Man had saved him in episode 77 part 4, where he saved him from the Juggernaut Toilet by defeating Juggernaut. Or you can say just distracting him. So that's it going to be for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to meet you in the next video. Thanks.